So we had a recent inquiry, well actually a couple of inquiries regarding changing the order of menu items, which is actually quite simple. We're going to demonstrate this on our own website. We have a couple of sub-menus here. So we have the design sub-menu, and the main one is the blog area. This is the one we're going to play with. So let's say, for example, I want to move the tutorials menu item up to the top here. What we do is we log into the back end, and you'll see here we have the menu, and we've gone to the main menu, and I'm going to tell the interface to just display everything because it's quite a long menu, as you can see. And you'll see here we have the blog menu, and then we have all the sub menu items, and here we have tutorials. It's actually really easy to move these things about, so I can just hover over the drag anchor, as it's called here, this section here. If I hover over that, it turns into a four-way arrow. That indicates that I can hold it and move it. So I click my left mouse button and move it. And let's say I want to put it above testimonials. Scroll the screen up a little bit. And we'll move it up even further. I'm going to move it up to the top of that menu. So it should be directly under blog, the first item. And if I go back to the website, we'll see this is where it was. And then I'm going to refresh the website. Go back to the menu, and you'll see now it's there. And that's it. That's as easy as it is. Hopefully that's been of help. Thank you.